Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are looking at the ASX Standard & Poor 200 forecast for the end of October 2019. It's going to be an exciting couple months. It's coming up. Very interesting things will happen. So just make sure you keep up to date with the YouTube channel. I will talk about the stocks and forecasts. So I look forward to talk to you. Now, remember, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, like, and share it because we need your help. And also, as part of a freebie from now till the end of the month, I got the Skillshare free course on the method of investing. If you saw the video, the first one, method of investing, and I said I will continue, which I did, and I built a whole course around it so you can see the magnitude of different type of investing you could actually do. It's a free course, so just jump on the link and sign up for free. The first 100 YouTuber get to sign up for free. Now, the course is actually going to be a premium course very soon after November, and it's on Udemy and will be sold for roughly about $25 to $30. So this is your opportunity to actually get a free course for free. So sign up for it, okay? So this is my sales pitch for today, and I'm gonna do the actual forecast with you guys. All right, now let's open the ASX 200. As you can see, this is what's happening with the charts. Now this is a daily chart, okay? So first of all, have double check everything. Now what I'm going to do is going to change into weekly charts quickly and demonstrate a couple things. Now these stocks, if I scroll backward, this is a big one, okay, because I need to play with this. Now last time we hit a high, similar high, was back in 2008, well, October, see October 29, somewhere here, 2009. Now we are somewhere at the same point. So, and it took good since 2000 March 09 to even get back up here to the same point. So it took almost 10 years. But it took less than a year for the market to drop. Now, not being an alarmist or anything like that, this is a significant high. So this is what I'm seeing. Now, as you know, I manage my hedge funds. So I have put in certain strategy already for the initial possibility of a market collapse, or neither side. If the market do punch through, I had strategy on the other side. But that's what I do, because it's a long and short fund. So I have to do it that way. But beyond that, can't tell you more than that unless you guys are investing in it. So that's basically it. Now the thing is, we are sitting here right now. The last high here was done in 29th of July. That's when the market dropped for a couple of weeks. And since then, the market hasn't really been moving, much. Just rebounds within this range. Now, a lot of big firms already been doing bond debt raising since. Actually, since starting of this year, they've been doing a lot of fundraising. So, they're gearing up for a possible market drop, So just be aware of it if you have anything on it, As I said, this is a forecast, and, what I'm looking at, this is my opinions. It's not a recommendation to buy or sell. So just be aware of it. And I'm going to go back into my daily charts. So this is the weekly chart, okay? So I'm going to go back to the daily chart. Now the daily chart hasn't even punched through this high yet, okay? So, and it's doing a shape, so it's gonna be fun. This is a V. Now it's not a head and shoulder because there's no shoulder on this side. I mean, the head has to be done here, so it's like a free shape. So that could be, it's not even a cup, can't even do a cup out of it, but it's a V shape. There is no shoulder here, so can't really call that as a inverted head and shoulder because it's not. Looks like a possible ascending triangle, but I won't even bother to go in. I haven't even put the moving average or any other technical tools on yet. I'm just looking at patterns, okay, and the price action. Now, last couple days, the market has moved up, but beyond that, it's been sitting, it's inside there at the moment. as of 10:50. So it's only open for 15 minutes. So since I've been up since 5 this morning, so to me it's a bit late. Everything is a little bit late. But as you can see, the market is not going anywhere. Now, this is the first testing point. Second one is here. So at this point. So you got to be able to manage this accordingly. Now, there could be a market drop. It doesn't matter which way it goes for me, because as a hedge fund, I can do both sides. So to me, just neither or nothing. It's better one way or the other. If not, got to do trend sideways market strategies anyway. So it's not even an issue for me. But for someone, if you're holding stocks on in Australia, you've got to be aware of what's going on. I mean, news should be quite reasonable at the moment. I don't even bother to check the news anymore because news is just news. Fundamentally speaking, the market has been pretty weak. I mean, if we do drop interest rate again in November, that really shows there's some issue. IBIS report did a possible market downturn. And there may be a credit easing coming up. So they do some really good fundamental report. So I'm not just looking at technical analysis. I've been running the quantitative stuff, my trading, my algorithm stuff. So I've been doing a couple things to do the analysis. So this is not just pure based on technical. It's just easy to show you what's going on. Fundamentally speaking, Australia is not strong in a strong position. There is a lot of unstable issues happening. So just be aware if you are in the market, make sure you have some sort of a risk management plan put in place. That's all. It's not telling you to buy or sell anything. So just be aware of it. I'm not even getting excited about this because, to me, it's the same thing, different day. So if you are in the market for as long as me, I've been around since 97. So I started in 96. To me, they all the same stuff, just different day. So don't even get worried about it, stress over things. I mean, just got to play that on the right side. That's what I'm saying. At the moment, the market is moving sideways. It's not showing any strength, showing that at the end of the market, possible hit a high. That was a previous one. If we punch through, go further, which is fantastic, neither way. But if not, it's going to drop. So just matter of preparing yourself, knowing which way the trend is. So, and just put your strategy together and get ready. Simple as that. That's why I don't even put any indicators. I mean, indicators just confuse the shit out of people anyway. Don't excuse the language, but it's the truth. Simple as that. If you can look at the prices, you know what's going on. I've been doing pricing for a long time, so I can see the trends where things is. So just be aware, nothing more. If you are holding any stocks, just put some plans together for risk management. It's not the hardest part is to get out when you need to. It's not so much getting in and out, all that stuff. It's when things is going your way, and then you got to pull the plug. Because greed and fear comes in and it plays a big part. So just be aware of those things, and the best we could do is put a strategy in, risk management plan, and then handle it accordingly. Nothing more. And I'm not going to drag on for too long because I tend to whine on about the stocks for a while. So just be aware, keep an eye on it. Just another thing, I don't affiliate with trading field. I don't get paid for it. I mean, if you check their policy, it's ridiculous, so I don't even bother with it. So I'm just using the software. I do use Meta Stocks. I do have market analysis software, but for simplicity's sake, I mean, and for what you pay for, I mean, trading field is pretty good, so for a couple $100. But the other software I had to pay roughly about almost $1,000, $2,000 almost for the live data. So that's why. But beyond that, I'm quite happy. Now, just one thing again, I just want to talk to you. So if you haven't subscribed yet, do so. Also like it and share it if you can. I will talk more about the update next week. I mean, I did warn there's possible market drop, so just be aware. Also, if you like the video, go to the Skillshare link that I provided. I'll put it in the video again. Click on it, you get a free course. Okay, by the end of the month in November, there will become a premium course that you will find it on Udemy. So, and I will talk to you more about it next week. Now, happy trading and investing. Just be aware what's going on. The best thing about investing and trading is someone is forewarning you, then just be aware. I mean, nothing more. So don't take my word for it. Do your analysis, fundamental, quantitative, technical analysis, whichever way you feel you like it. That's it. You got to do your work. Don't blame people. You can't work things out, but there is things that you could do. So happy hunting, and I will talk to you next week.